Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Machinery Time with Mark. I'm Mark. Just kind of wanted to do a short video today to kind of talk about a format change I'm thinking of doing, probably will do. The current format I do is not getting watched at all. Right now, my last video, it was too long. It's 40 minutes long. Talks about the history of John Deere, the man. Apparently it's too boring, too long to watch. So I'm gonna start making shorter videos, probably 15, 20 minutes long, if that. Kind of keep people's interest. I think they're losing interest after a while, which shows on the algorithm. So I might make shorter videos like that 40-minute one. Probably should have been 3 or 4 videos instead of one long one. I'm going to probably give less facts. I don't think people really care about the facts. I'm getting no feedback on anything like that, so might be a little bit less factual if you want to know more about things. Just put a question down below at the video and I'll be glad to answer you, or I will extend a different video on that fact. I'm going to show more of myself, how I really am, not this person who's reading off a piece of paper like I am right now. More myself, try to keep the expletives down. Those seem to fly out every once in a while. Like I said, shorter videos, less facts. Probably less videos on history. I know my whole channel was based on history of the Quad Cities farm equipment, but I've done several so far and just no interest at all. I don't know if just the name hasn't gotten out far enough yet, or there's just no interest for it. So I'll still do that, probably less of it. I'm gonna do more of, I think videos that I watch, it's more of people doing things in the shop, showing you how to do things. I take for granted that people know a lot of this stuff. I watch some videos on, somebody putting a battery in a car or a tractor, and I just assume people already know how to do that, but apparently not. They're highly watched. There's thousands of videos out there on people ordering food in a drive-through, and people ordering or buying large amounts of tools at Harbor Freight and places like that, and trying to bust them, but that gets millions of views. So not going to go down that route. I think that's just cheap way to go. Well, not cheap, they're spending a lot of money. So I'm going to do more on in the shop here, repairs that I might think are simple, mindless, but people like that. So I'm going to do more of that. I think that's about it. I wanted to keep it short because I seem to ramble on. So I guess with that, comment below if you think I'm doing the wrong thing, or I should expand on this, or you think my videos are meaningless, can't even talk. Yeah, just let me know. Like I said in the other video that no one's watched, that we're gonna be going on a little trip. Plan to tape a little bit of that. May not be machinery interesting, but I'm just going to kind of show you my life the way it is. If it's boring, it's boring. I catch myself watching other videos of people in their life, and it's not any more exciting than mine, but I sit there and I watch it. So I don't know, maybe I'm mindless, I don't know. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. Please like and subscribe. If I could get, by the end of the year, if I could get 150 subscribers, I would be overjoyed. But, you know, I'm doing this for fun. I know I'm whining a little bit here, but I'm going to keep doing it. It's for fun. You know, people like them or don't like them. I don't really care. When it comes to a point where I've only got one view, that's probably myself, then I'll probably quit. But until then, we're gonna keep chugging along, have fun, try to be more myself, and we'll go from there. So like I said, like and please subscribe. I appreciate that. We're gonna try for 150 by the end of the year. Tomorrow is the October 31st, Halloween. So time's a ticking on that 150. So yeah, please comment below. Let me know, like and subscribe, all the other things that they tell you to do. That doesn't matter. Have a great week, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.